Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Ponce. I'm a mechanical engineer from Morelia, Michoacán, Mexico, and this is my final project on CS50P. My project is called F1 Race Replay Visualizer, and what it does is that it allows you to watch a replay of any session in a series of events of the F1 calendar and pick which driver to visualize. Data is gathered from the FastF1 library, and visualization is possible thanks to the Funk Animation function from Matplotlib. For any further information on how the program works, please refer to the README file. So, without further ado, I want to show you my code, which is this one. It went up to 200 lines of code and turned out to be harder than I actually expected, since I had to learn to use a bunch of new libraries such as Matplotlib, Pandas, etc. So now let me make a demonstration of how it works. First, it prompts us to choose one of the seasons. FastF1 library only has data from 2018 onward, so let's say we wanted to choose 2017, it would print invalid year and reprompt us. If we wanted to watch the cat season, same case. So now if we oblige and choose, let's say, 2025, it will download that season and tell us which races were available in that year. So let's say we wanted to watch the race of Qatar. We would write Qatar, and it would prompt us to choose which session. Let's say we wanted to watch the race. We write race, input, and now it's loading the event. Now it prompts us with how many drivers to show. It has a capability of showing the 20 drivers, but it slows down the performance of the animation, so for now let's go with 3. It shows us the drivers that were driving in that session. So let's say we wanted to watch Verstappen, Piastri, and say Leclerc. Now it is creating one object for every single driver, which is going to be represented in a plot as a dot. Now it's loading the Funk Animation function, and there it is. Now it shows us an animation of the race. Each dot represents a driver, and the color of each driver corresponds to the team's color. It also has a timer on top, which represents the real-time race time of the race. So this is it. Thanks to David J. Milan for the classes. I'm very grateful, and see you next time.